Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to my series on solving LeetCode problems. Next one is maximum depth of binary tree. So what is this? Given the root of a binary tree, return its maximum depth. A binary tree's maximum depth is the number of nodes along the longest path from the root node down to the farthest leaf node. Okay, so let's go 101, 104. Max depth binary tree. Close 104. Solution.py. And yep, here we go. Optional for typing. And what we want to do is we want to return 1 plus if root is none, we return 0. That's like the base case. So if there's like nothing, if the first one is none, there's no kids, then there's like, okay, there's nothing, it's a 0. If not, we return 1 plus the maximum value of max depth of the left one, self.left, and self.max depth of self.right. Okay, I think this is pretty straightforward. Let's see if it works. So let's see, 1 plus this, okay, or this, the maximum of these ones. Well, the maximum is going to be this one, so it's going to choose this one. And same thing here, well, it's going to be a tie. The maximum is going to be 1 for both of them. So submit. Huh. Oh yeah, and it's not self. It's root. It's root.left, root.right. That's why I wasn't getting the autocompletes here. So if I do root and root, yeah. So okay, cool. Got accepted. 42 milliseconds, 1873. Well, let's just submit again, see if I get better results. Huh. Okay, I'm happy with this. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. See you later.